Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to increase penile length naturally and safely? You're not alone. Many men quietly ask this question, often feeling unsure, even embarrassed to bring it up. It's one of the most searched topics in men's health, yet one of the most misunderstood. There's a lot of noise out there: pills, pumps, strange exercises, even risky surgeries. But here's the truth: most of those don't deliver what they promise, and some can actually cause harm. So today, let's talk about what does work, the science-backed, doctor-approved ways that can help improve penile length, appearance, and confidence, safely and naturally. Because this isn't just about size, it's about how you feel in your own body. Your self-esteem, your intimacy, and your overall health all play a role. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo, a urologist who's helped hundreds of men understand their bodies better and take control of their wellness. By the end of this video, you'll know the proven methods that actually make a difference. We'll separate medical fact from internet fiction, and I'll show you how small, consistent habits can lead to noticeable changes, not just in size, but in confidence and function too. So stay with me. Let's uncover what really works and why. Let's start with something honest. Most men at some point have wondered if they're normal. It might happen in front of the mirror or in a quiet moment of comparison. And often that question isn't really about size, it's about confidence. In my clinic, I see men of all ages asking the same thing. Can I make it longer? What's real and what's just marketing? Here's what I tell them. There's a difference between perceived size and actual anatomical change. And both can be influenced safely and naturally by understanding how the body works. Why does this matter? Because anxiety, misinformation, and quick fixes can lead to frustration, even injury. Many men try unverified methods, supplements, weights, or pumps, without realizing how delicate penile tissue is. Those tissues depend on healthy blood flow, elastic fibers, and balanced hormones. When any of those systems are off, from poor circulation, low testosterone, or even chronic stress, performance and appearance can change. The penis, after all, isn't separate from the rest of your body. It reflects your vascular health, your hormone balance, and your overall lifestyle. So instead of chasing instant results, the goal should be sustainable improvement. Better circulation, stronger pelvic muscles, healthier hormone levels. These are the real foundations of both size and function. And here's the hopeful part: you have control over these factors. Simple, consistent habits can make measurable differences over time. It's not about magic, it's about biology and giving your body the right conditions to perform at its best. So if you've been feeling discouraged or confused by what you've read online, don't worry. There are real, evidence-based ways to enhance what nature gave you. Let's go through them together, step by step. Let's go through what science actually says about improving penile length and health, naturally and safely. We'll look at methods that strengthen blood flow, optimize hormones, and enhance tissue response over time. No gimmicks, just physiology, explained simply. 1. Improve blood flow, the foundation of penile health. First, let's talk about circulation. Your penis is a vascular organ, meaning its size and function depend on blood flow. When blood vessels are healthy, the erectile tissue fills fully, creating firmness, fullness, and yes, a small but visible increase in apparent length. The problem? Modern habits often restrict circulation. Sitting too long, eating processed foods, smoking, or even chronic stress can narrow arteries and reduce blood supply. So what can you do? Start with daily movement. Even a brisk 30-minute walk increases nitric oxide production, a natural molecule that relaxes blood vessels and boosts flow. Foods rich in nitrates, like beetroot and leafy greens, do the same. Hydration matters too. Blood is mostly water, and dehydration thickens it, slowing circulation. Try to drink at least 2 liters of water daily, and if you smoke, consider this your sign to stop. Smoking damages the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow. Within weeks of quitting, blood flow starts improving. Better circulation won't just help with length perception, it'll also improve performance, energy, and stamina. 2. Strengthen the pelvic floor, the hidden muscle behind performance. Second, focus on the muscles that support your sexual function, the pelvic floor. Many men overlook this area, but it plays a huge role in firmness, control, and even visible length. Pelvic floor exercises, known as Kegels, help build those muscles. Here's how. Tighten the same muscles you'd use to stop urinating midstream. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this 10-15 times, twice a day. Over time, this strengthens the bulbocavernosus and ischiocavernosus muscles, the ones that help maintain erections and pump blood through the penis. In several clinical studies, men who practiced pelvic floor training for 3-4 months reported better erection quality and slight gains in length and girth due to improved support and blood retention. Consistency matters. Think of it like going to the gym for your core. Except this time, the benefits extend to your confidence and your intimacy. 3. Balance hormones, especially testosterone and DHT. Third, we can't ignore hormones. Testosterone and its derivative DHT influence penile tissue health, libido, and even vascular tone. When levels are low, energy, desire, and erectile quality all decline. But here's the encouraging part. Natural strategies can help optimize these hormones. Start with sleep. Men who get less than 6 hours per night can see testosterone drop by up to 15% in just a week. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted rest. Next, nutrition. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts support testosterone production. Zinc and vitamin D are essential too. Both play roles in hormone synthesis. You can find them in shellfish, eggs, and fortified cereals. And don't underestimate stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which directly suppresses testosterone. Simple breathing exercises, mindfulness, or even 5 minutes of quiet time can help rebalance that system. If your levels remain low despite lifestyle changes, speak to your doctor. Hormone testing and supervised therapy can make a real difference. But always start with the basics: sleep, diet, and stress control. 4. Mechanical stretching, safe, controlled, and evidence-based. Now, let's talk about something that often sparks debate: mechanical stretching. While extreme or unsupervised methods can cause injury, gentle traction has been shown in studies to create gradual, measurable length gains. This works on the principle of tissue remodeling. When consistent, gentle tension is applied. The body adapts by increasing the number of cells in the stretched tissue. Clinical trials on medical-grade traction devices have shown average gains of 1.5 to 2 centimeters after several months of consistent use, typically 4 to 6 hours per day. But safety is key. Always consult a urologist before starting, and avoid devices that promise overnight results. If used correctly, traction can complement natural improvements from circulation, hormones, and pelvic training. 5. Focus on whole body wellness, because confidence is more than size. Finally, remember that penile health is part of overall health. Weight management, heart function, and even mental well-being all influence appearance and performance. Extra abdominal fat, for example, can make the penis appear shorter. Reducing waist size not only reveals more of the base, but also improves hormone balance and blood flow. Emotional health matters too. Anxiety and self-comparison can distort perception and lower confidence. Many men underestimate how much mindset affects satisfaction and function. You don't need perfection, you need balance. Eat whole foods, exercise regularly, rest deeply, and speak openly with your partner or doctor. When the body feels supported and the mind feels calm, performance improves naturally. Putting it all together. So let's summarize what really works. Move daily to boost blood flow. Strengthen your pelvic floor to enhance control and firmness. Support healthy testosterone through sleep, nutrition, and stress management. Use medical traction safely if you and your doctor decide it's right for you. Take care of your body and mind, because confidence is the most powerful growth factor of all. Every man's body responds differently. The goal isn't to chase unrealistic numbers. It's to feel stronger, more confident, and more connected to your health. And with time, those small, steady changes create real results, both physically and emotionally. Let's take a moment to bring everything together. Improving penile length and function isn't about shortcuts or miracle fixes. It's about understanding how your body really works. And once you do, the steps become clear, simple, and achievable. First, you learned that blood flow is the foundation. Without healthy circulation, no other method can truly help. Every heartbeat sends oxygen and nutrients through those tiny vessels. So when you move, eat clean, and quit smoking, you're not just protecting your heart, you're strengthening the very system that supports erection quality and fullness. Second, the pelvic floor muscles are your hidden allies. When they're strong, they give you control, better blood retention, and a firmer appearance. Like any muscle, they respond to consistent effort. A few minutes of daily training can lead to visible, meaningful change. Third, you discovered that hormones act as quiet regulators behind the scenes. Balanced testosterone and DHT levels keep tissue healthy, maintain libido, and sustain energy. Simple lifestyle choices, good sleep, nourishing foods, and stress control help these hormones do their job naturally. Then we talked about mechanical stretching, the most researched non-surgical option for length improvement. Used carefully, under medical supervision, it can safely stimulate tissue remodeling. It's not fast, but it's proven, and safe when done right. Finally, we connected it all to something deeper: overall wellness and confidence. Because real change isn't only about what you see, it's also about how you feel. Confidence comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself, inside and out. And when you do, your body responds with strength, stability, and energy. So remember this: you don't need drastic measures to feel better about your body. You need understanding, patience, and consistent care. Always listen to your body. It gives you signals for a reason. When you honor those signals, you build more than size or strength. You build confidence, vitality, and self-respect. I've seen countless men improve their health and happiness simply by applying these principles. And you can too. Start small, stay consistent. Your body will do the rest. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, take a moment to pause and appreciate that. Because awareness is the first step toward real change. Improving penile length and function isn't about chasing perfection. It's about giving your body what it needs to perform at its best: healthy blood flow, balanced hormones, strong muscles, and a calm mind. Those small daily actions add up. If you found today's information helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here, we talk about men's health with honesty, science, and compassion. No exaggerations, no gimmicks. Just real medical guidance designed to help you feel more confident, energetic, and informed. And if you have questions or want to learn about specific treatments or exercises, leave them in the comments. I read them, and many future topics come directly from what you ask. Your health journey is personal, and you deserve clarity, not confusion. So take what you've learned today, apply it consistently, and give your body time to respond. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo. Take care of your health, your confidence, and your peace of mind. See you next time.